let's take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. Whooshers in Salisbury and Tisbury, Massachusetts can now pay for parking with their smartphones. Flowbird's Whoosh parking app has successfully launched in the two towns, making remote payment a reality. Users even receive a reminder before their parking expires so that they can top up their parking remotely. Struggling to find a space at North Arkansas's regional airport is a thing of the past, following ParkSonic's successful installation of Schick's parking guidance system. The parking guidance sensors monitor over 1,000 spaces, whilst the dynamic displays guide drivers to the nearest available spaces. Over 1,500 meters of Integra barrier are guaranteeing safety at Estonia's largest airport's car park. The Integra safety barriers, which will be used as full protection at the Level 3, 1,200 space car park, were assembled early in the building process to offer protection to construction vehicles. Last week, Parking Network attended the CCV Exchange 2018. The event, which had a real festival atmosphere, celebrated 60 years of CCV with eye-opening workshops about disruptive strategies for business. We really enjoyed learning more about how we can apply design thinking to develop our business plan, and we were even lucky enough to speak with Enny van der Velden, CCO at CCV, about their company journey.
Thank you for the invite at the CCV Exchange Day. CCV 60 years. Can you briefly introduce yourself and CCV?
Yes, my name is Enny van der Velde. I'm the chair of the board of the CCV Group. CCV is a payments provider, but becoming step by step an omnichannel provider. So we actually offer our customers omnichannel solutions, specifically based on payments, but there's more in it.
Today you're celebrating your 60 years anniversary. I see it's like a kind of a festival. Why did you choose for this setup?
Well, the festival idea for us is very important. Last year we had a kind of a sitting room actually. Now we think a festival, it's inspiring, it's getting people more open-minded. And for us it's really, really needed that we help our customers and partners to open up their minds, to come with new ideas, new business models, to look out of their own, let's say, scope, to see new ideas and possibilities for the future. So this is why we chose for the festival.
So get out of your comfort zone and work together in workshops to create new ideas, to exchange ideas.
Well, maybe I should say that we are really, the goal of today is that they come with new ideas. And I think to cooperate with other people from different industries helps you to create new ideas. And of course we hope that it will come not just nice ideas, but that it also will generate new concepts which will help all the industries, specifically in self-service of course, to make new steps towards the future.
So what can we expect in the near future for the parking industry from CCV?
Well, I hope altogether there could be great new ideas. It could be a kind of mobility as a service, but that's just my idea. I think people now are really excited to find their own ideas, and I hope there will be wonderful new ideas.
In your opening speech you talked about the cooperation with the University of Rotterdam, the Erasmus University, mobility as a service.
Yes, well, we asked the Erasmus University to do this research. So they do this, it's our assignment towards them. We think it's really crucial to understand the whole customer journey. So what is the preferred way they travel to the airport? Would they like to have more information if they are, well, at home still? Or do they want to have more information about, well, let's say some specific, you know, how to park or whatever during their trip? And our aim is actually to find out which partners we should involve to build this mobility as a service platform here. And our aim at the end is of course to make it as easy as possible for the consumer.
Thank you so much. Congratulations again with your anniversary. I wish you a very pleasant day. And yeah, I have to go to my workshop, I suppose. And tomorrow you will have a party with your with all your hardworking colleagues. So congratulations, and yeah, hope to learn a lot from today and see each other soon again.
Yes,
thanks.
I'm afraid you are rather late for the workshop, but have fun.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for sharing, Enny, and thanks again for inviting us to this fantastic event. Do you manage the parking facilities of a shopping centre, airport or venue? Well, don't miss out on our Parking Network events where you can join over 20 hours of networking, workshops and open discussions. Register now at parkingevent.com. And we will be attending 3 events over the next few months. Join us at the ITS World Congress from the 17th of September to the 21st in Copenhagen. We will be attending as visitors, so drop us an email to make an appointment. And fancy an excuse to visit Las Vegas? Pop by booth 131 to see us at the NPA Convention and Expo from the 22nd to the 25th of October. And stop by booth Z1E30 at Gulf Traffic in Dubai from the 4th to the 6th of December and say hello. And that's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine and I'll see you next time.